Hello everyone! Today, we are taking you to another memorable experience and amazing journey through two of Switzerland's most breathtaking spots. First is an epic suspended bridge overlooking Lake Thun, followed by another scenic adventure.
Hello, we're inside a cave.
To one of Switzerland's iconic mountains. Good day everyone! Welcome once again to our channel. Today, we will take another dream destination off our bucket list. Magiging hectic ang ating itinerary for today. So to make the most out of our time, pinili namin mag-check out ng maaga sa aming accommodation at dalhin na ang aming mga bagahe. To make our journey efficient and convenient, we decided to store our luggage dito sa train station ng Thun, bago pumunta sa una nating destinasyon.
The QR code is being printed. Tapos, paano mo siya i-clean?
Itsura mo daw para sure.
Thun Station. Ngayon, magbabas tayo ngayon.
Oo, si Will Seal.
Sige, tara na.
Number 25.
So, we're going to Sigriswil. So, we're taking the bus. Excuse me. Saan ang platform A? Where's the letter A? Nawawala si letter A. Saan? Ayun! O, tara dito tayo. So, yan. Thun Station. We're chasing Chloe. We're chasing Chloe! Yan. Tinuro kami ni Google dito sa platform. Platform A. That's platform A. Right. And then we'll take the bus. 25. Ha?
Kung pwede itong, may ticket siya po.
I guess it's not free. So, bumibili ang husband ko ng ticket.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. So, there's a bus. 8 o'clock.
Let's go!
Pero may sigris.
We are now approaching our first destination, a must-see for Captain Ri and Yoon series fans. It's no other than Sigrisville Bridge, the bridge where Captain Ri first saved Yoon series' life. Yoon Siri was supposed to take her life by jumping off the bridge, until Captain Ri suddenly requested her to take a photo of him with his fiancée back then. Fellow Chloe followers, tanda na? Kahit maiksi lamang ang aming bakasyon dito sa Switzerland, isiningi talaga naming mapuntahan ang lugar na ito sa aming siksik na itinerary. Palalagpasin ba naman ng dalawang Chloe fanatics ang chance na selfie? Abay syempre, hindi.
Galing no? Ano to? Cementerio.
Finally here in the beautiful village of Zermatt, Switzerland. A perfect getaway for nature lovers, for thrill seekers, or for leisure travelers. Kung kanina it's chasing Chloe, now we're chasing another wonder of its own. But to kickstart our adventure, let's head out and buy our tickets.
Can I pay already?
Yep.
Okay.
It's good.
It's good? Alright.
And now you can choose the currency.
Alright. The currency.
Dahil malayo ang lalakarin natin at pataas ang daan, for that hassle-free experience, let us leave our luggage here in the locker. Okay.
Tapos, ito. Bye-bye.
This is a complete adventure. Keep close.
Galing mo umaring kumpare.
Yung luggage storage area natin, andito lang, across sa mga nakikita ninyong structure. These are electric taxis stationed here just in front of Zermatt train station. Since Zermatt is a car-free community, small battery-driven vehicles whose size is mandated by law bring people around the area. These taxis will take you to your desired destination for a fee, while the e-buses, which look similar to the taxis, transport tourists for free as long as they have any kind of ticket for the main cable car or they have the Swiss Travel Pass. Dahil aware tayo na may kamahalan ang transport fare dito sa Switzerland, we decided to just take a walk and enjoy the view. Pero bago yan, konting trivia. Switzerland is a country made up of 26 cantons. A canton is a semi-independent state within the Swiss Confederation. It has its own government, constitution, and laws. Each canton has its own capital city and official language. It is comparatively similar to US states. The municipality that we are about to explore is Zermatt. It belongs to the canton of Valais, situated in the southern part of Switzerland, close to Italy. Though this may be the case, the widely spoken language is Swiss German, although few speak Italian and French. Hindi pa tayo nangangalahati sa galang ito ha, pero sana ay samahan niyo kami. Sisiguraduhin naming masusulit ang oras nyo sa pagsama sa amin. Bubusugin namin ang mga mata nyo sa magagandang mga tanawin, mga tahanan, mga bulaklak, at jaw-dropping landscape ng kalikasan.
Wow. Dapat pala Matterhorn inuna natin yesterday. Yun o.
Ayun si Matterhorn.
Si Matterhorn. Ayaw magpakita na hihiya. Paano mo bibigyan ng justice sa video yung ganito kagandang view? You cannot. Promise. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Grabe, ang ganda niya talaga, promise. Ay,
Ganda dito lang, selfie lang tayo.
so much to see, so little time. Yan, ganyan. We're taking the ramp. May elevator. Hindi ko napapatayin tong ano. We're about to see Matterhorn.
Grabe trip natin with nature.
Grabe, no? Ang dami nating narating. Saan ka?
Parang mabula tayo sa Beauty Switzerland, sabay-sabay ko. Ay, oras lang.
Amsterdam ng Switzerland.
Pili ko isang linggo na tayo dito. May bus out taxi.
Saan? Narans?
Tickets.
Lord, thank you for letting us experience this. Maraming salamat, Lord. Explore. Let's go. 5 days sa Switzerland pwede na. Magkano kayo pamasahe dito na?
Pili ko ba? Milan ka, Milan muna. Venice, Milan muna.
Ang mura ng pamasahe sa Amsterdam. Amsterdam ang pinakamura. Oh Lord, thank you.
Grabe, vertical talaga.
Di ba may umiikot pa to eh?
Huwag mo na paikutin na. Naghanap po ba umiikot? Nalulula na ako hindi umiikot. Sa Distakay.
Akala ko mabilis pumunta dito ha, but actually matagal. So from Zermatt Station, you're going to take a 20-minute walk more than if your pace is very slow or just normal. So this is our first cable ride, going to the top. Tingnan natin, but so far busog na busog yung mata namin sa dinaanan namin. Ganda. Yung mga pupunta sa Matterhorn, kailangan bumaba dito sa movie. Kasi you're going to transfer. Ito. Grab yung ano, ticket. So, paano? Saan? Saan? Ayun, dito tayo. Dilipat tayo. Again, we'll use this one.
So when you come here, please make sure to keep your ticket safe. Don't lose it because you're going to scan it several times before you reach the top.
Ay, may nice ano? See you.
Oo.
Kakalis lang.
So, dun kami sasakay.
Hindi natin abutan. That's okay. We're just going to wait a few minutes.
Tingnan na natin.
Doon lang tayo sasakay sa sunod.
Dito mamaya, ito bumubukas.
Lamig, grabe, tumatagos. Meron ako.
Ano yung wallet natin?
Oo, nandyan. Sa pag dinala ko, alam mo na ang asawa mo.
Dahil teka ko na. Papunta tayo sa level 3.
Ang lamig, naka-doble-doble na ako. Sobrang lamig. Left ticket. Our ticket. Again. Ang galing. Nadi-detect nila agad. Diyan tayo sasakay.
We are about to board our final cable car ride, going to the highest cable car station in Europe.
Ang galing mo yan ba?
Nasa level 2 na tayo.
Ay.
Sabi siguro, pag simula ko siguro kasama dito na lang ako ni.
Ayoko na ni. Ayoko na ni. Ayoko na ni. Grabe. Lamig.
So make sure when you come here, you wear the appropriate winter outfit, the warmest.
Properly geared for the negative temperature, for the cold weather. We are about to reach the summit. Mostly geared up.
Ayan na! Malapit na! In just a few minutes, we are going to experience how it is like to be on the highest viewing platform in Europe, 3,883 meters above sea level.
We are about to reach the summit. So,
Currently, nasa mataas na po tayong altitude. So, itong station pong ito, no, compared to the oxygen concentration kung saan tayo kanina nanggaling, mas mababa na po dito. So, nung lumapag kami dito, naka-feel kami ng konting lightheadedness, disorientation, yung coordination namin medyo affected ng slight. Napansin din namin yung mga labi namin medyo naging purple ng konti. It's because the concentration of oxygen here is less than what we have doon sa baba. So what you see is the highest viewing platform in Europe. So if you're planning to go up, just make sure you take your time, do it slowly, kasi as you go up, mas kumukonti po yung oxygen. If you are going to go up faster, hindi makakapag-adjust agad-agad yung katawan nyo, pwede kayong makaramdam ng altitude sickness. So, dahan-dahan lang, pause or stop kung kinakailangan. You have to take your time, dahan. So, obserbahan ninyo kung paano kami dito magsalita.
para nakakahilo.
Iba yung pakiramdam dito.
Yeah. Game.
Video.
Hi. Zero visibility. We can't see Matterhorn. Hello, everyone. We're in Europe's highest station. Station ha. Grabe ang lamig. Super sarap ng feeling. Hello everyone! We are actually in the highest station in Europe. Not the highest point, but highest station. We are in Matterhorn. And you see that cross behind us? It was built to pay tribute to those who lost their lives in their attempt to climb the Matterhorn. There. That's the cross. No. To pay tribute to those who lost their lives. Pansin mo ba para kang dinadala?
Mapuplos na tayo.
Sarap. Sarap. I am well geared for this.
Galing ng Uniqlo, oh. Hindi talaga lumamig, oh. Oo nga, may silbi. Bakit ma?
Let's go. Oops, sorry.
Apart from Europe's highest viewing platform and cable station, this ice paradise where we're currently at offers another peculiar experience. Since andito na tayo, palalagpasin pa ba natin ang pagkakataon masubukan at makita ang lugar na ito? Kaya tara, let's step into the highest glacier palace in the world, the Matterhorn Glacier Paradise.
We're heading inside the glacier paradise. Di siya natutunan. Ano? Oh, ice yan. Love.
It's a real ice. Sige, vlog.
Aray ko. Hello. We're inside the cave.
Akin na yung bag mo.
Hello. We're inside the cave where 1,000-year-old ice here is formed, no? Dito pa rin siya. Hindi siya natutunaw. For 1,000 years. Sabi nila. Pero mo, so ancient na siya. It's ice. It's ice. This is ice. Look. This is ice. So we're going down. Pag nandito ka, medyo disoriented ka. Lightheaded.
Matterhorn Glacier Paradise is actually located 15 meters below the broad glacier between the Klein Matterhorn and the Bright Horn. So it's not readily seen from the surface. It's not even accessible right away, so you have to go down. The Ice Palace is actually a glacier cave or an ice cave estimated to exist for a very long time, maybe for thousands of years already. The glacier was then carved with tunnels and chambers to accommodate tourists. The tunnel is then shaved periodically to maintain a passageway just enough for visitors to pass through.
Ipapasyal ko kayo sa 1,000-year-old ice cave. 1,000 years na to. Hindi pa siya natutunaw. Diba? Ang galing. Tingnan natin. Gumawa sila ng mga ice carvings dito. Ang lamig, grabe. Can you see? Let's go down. Nothing much to see up there. Para kang nasa loob ng ref. Hindi pala ng ref. Ng freezer.
Apart from the carved tunnels and chambers, the ice cave features beautiful ice structures creatively carved from the glaciers itself. Nice! It's a carving. Ganda. Ganda. Nice. Kailangan na natin makabalik.
Baka kain natin kahapon.
I need one seat. From the highest station in Switzerland, we are having lunch at Matterhorn. We are having salad, cake. This is self-serve. I made it. Cake. I don't know what cake is this one. And then carbonara with generous cheese. Bon appetit, my love.
Bon appetit. Sarap na carbonara.
Masarap ba? Second decent meal in Switzerland. Ay, sa bagay yung kahapon, hindi meal. It's just a snack. Sarap. Sarap ng carbonara. Sarap carbonara. Yum.
Pinarito niya sa olive oil yung ano. Pinarito niya sa olive oil yung bacon. Tapos nilagyan mo ng milk saka egg.
Ganda ng ano, oh. River.
With this Switzerland trip, ang daming realizations. There are so many things to be grateful for. Dati, sa social platforms, sa travel series, or sa printed ads lang natin nakikita ang ganda ng lugar na ito. To be honest, hindi ko sasabing hindi ko inakala na makakarating tayo dito. Dahil sa totoo lang, lahat ng pinapangarap natin ay tinutumbasan talaga natin ng pagsusumikap. Kasabay nito, itinataas natin kay Lord ang ating mga hiling at ipinapasa Kanya ang pagsasakatuparan ng mga ito. Kasabay nun, ramdam ko sa puso ko na balang araw magkakatotoo. Dahil pinangahawakan ko ang verse ng Mark 11:24. Therefore, I tell you, whatever you ask in prayer, believe that you have received, and it will be yours. I am sharing this to encourage you. Whatever circumstance you're in, please never stop dreaming and hold on to that faith and keep believing because faith can do wonders. Mga mare, tandaan nyo, great things come to those who ask, persevere, and wait. From Zermatt, Switzerland, here's your command, saying, Danke vielmals. Till our next vlog!